Hey, what's going on, guys? I'm Logan with MGM Barrels. Today we're out here and we're about to shoot a 224 Valkyrie. We're going to take this thing out to 1,300 yards. So this is a Thompson Center Contender G2. It's got our match grade machine 224 Valkyrie barrel on it. This is a 22-inch 1-to-7 twist. We've got a Silencer Co. Omega out on the front. We've got a Vortex Optics HSLR, which is a 6-to-24 power. So really excited to get out here and try this thing out. Thanks for stopping by the MGM YouTube. Be sure to subscribe while you're here. All right, guys, we've got Rylan out here. He's going to be our trigger man for this shoot. He's taking this Valkyrie out to 1,300 yards.
Okay, dude, you're good to go.
Low and right.
Low 1, right 2.
Almost low 2, but right 2, yeah. Impact.
Impact.
Top left.
Beautiful. 224 Valkyrie, 1,300 yards, MGM barrel. 1-to-7 twist with a 90 grain Sierra Match King Federal factory ammo. Follow-up hit.
Where was that one?
I'm not zoomed in enough, I can't quite tell.
It looks more center.
No call.
Actually, that I can see it now. It's to the left still.
Impact.
There it is.
Awesome.
Where are they dropping? Can you tell?
Whatever you're doing, just keep doing that because it's working.
4 and 1 to the right. What's going on, guys? This is Logan with MGM. Rylan did an awesome job out here shooting at 1,300 yards with our Valkyrie. We were able to get 3 hits on steel in the few shots that we fired. It's getting about lunchtime, so we're gonna head back. But again, like, comment, subscribe. Please join our YouTube channel. We're gonna get out here and do a whole bunch more long-range shooting and different ballistic info on like the new 350 Legend and anything else with our TCs that we can come up with. Let us know what you guys want to see in the bottom, and we'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.